The process is simple. Just grab a phone or a laptop, find a quiet area where there isn't much noise, start typing, save, and submit your work. And just like that, you'll be earning anything from $20 to $75 every single day from any location in the world. Keep in mind that in order to actually generate money in this manner, you must follow the instructions exactly as they were laid out. So please make sure that you watch the entire video since we will be teaching you everything you need to know about the sign-up process, which is completely free. And you will not be required to pay any money upfront or to have any writing skills at all. If you're too tired to type on your own, you can even copy and paste the text instead. Now, somewhere in the course of today's video, we will reveal another bonus website to you, one that will pay you twice as much as the first website did, but just by doing the exact same thing. It's insane since so few people are aware of this method, and it's possible that this is your lucky day. Make sure you watch the entire video until the end to receive all of our creative and useful tips, in addition to the bonus website that we mentioned a few seconds earlier. Just a little note before we get into the video for today. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. So like what we said earlier, we're going to teach you the step-by-step process to actually make this method work. First, we're going to need to go on your mobile phone or laptop. If you're going to choose to work on your smartphone, then it's best to note that this method works on both Android and iOS, so you have nothing to be worried about here. We will be using a laptop for this particular video. Now, the first website that we will be using is typingtest.com. Just visit this website using your browser and the website should look like this. This website will let you take typing tests to see how fast you can type. You are presented with two options you can choose before you can start the test. The first option is the duration of the test. There are 5 options to choose from: 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and 10 minutes. The second option will let you pick the type test that you can do. The test types are easy text, medium text, hard text, benchmark, tricky, blind, story typing, themed, professional. What we want you to do is set the timer of the test to 1 minute and set the type of to easy text. Now once you do that, just click on Start Test. And now you can start the typing test. You will now be presented with this page on which the text that you will be required to complete will be displayed on the screen. You can actually begin typing right away, just below the text that you are required to follow. In addition, you will notice a 1-minute countdown clock on the upper left side of the screen. You will also see that there are 2 different modes, the normal mode and the pro mode. However, because we're only using this as an example, we'd like you to stick with the normal mode. The timer begins ticking as soon as you begin typing, and you have 1 minute to finish the text. We will give you a demonstration. After completing the test, you will be able to view your typing speed as well as the accuracy and net speed after the timer expires, and the system starts analyzing what you've typed. Now that we're done with that, we can now go to the typing courses. On this part of the website, they offer free lessons as training so you can improve your typing skills. At this point, you might be puzzled and must be asking, why do I have to do this? You will need this for the website that we're going to show you, because typing will be your means of earning money on these websites. As a result, the typing exam is a critical step. So we strongly advise that you go through these lessons before moving on to the actual money-making website, because your typing speed determines how much money you can earn on these websites. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Now we will be showing you the money-making websites. These websites are available worldwide, so you don't need to worry about not being able to participate in this money-making method. This is achievable even if you only use your smartphone. This task is completely accessible. It's something that everybody can do. The first website I will be showing you is called rev.com. This is a transcription service website where people get paid for doing transcription services. The transcription services that they offer are transcribing audio or video files to text, which cost $1.25 per minute, captioning videos, which also cost $1.25 per minute, and foreign subtitles, where you can translate from one language to another, which costs $3 to $7 per minute. Now, on the bottom part of the website, you can see an option of Become a Freelancer. We just click that and it will redirect us to this page. Now, you can either choose to be a transcriptionist or a captioner. Both pay at least the same amount. So for transcribing 1 minute of audio or video, you can earn $1.25. And let's say we transcribe an audio file that is 5 minutes long, and that is an easy $6.25. And if you transcribe 5 minutes files in one day, you can earn $31 for a day. That is still a lot of money for a few minutes of work. Now, before you can start as a freelancer on Rev, you have to complete 3 easy steps. First is to take a quick quiz to demonstrate your English language and grammar skills. Second is to submit a transcription or caption sample. And third is if you have completed steps 1 and 2, then you can start immediately. That's all there is to it for now on this website. Please give this website a shot and let us know how it works for you in the comments section down below. The next website that we're going to use is TranscribeMe.com. You can see that they do data annotation, transcription, translation, and AI datasets if you browse down a little bit. A little further down the page, you can find more details about the website and what it has to offer. Signing up here is an easy process. Just click on the job section on the upper right and just click on Get Started. You can now fill up this form to sign up. As you can see, there is a section where you must select your transcription language. In specific, the language in which you will transcribe. Just click Create Profile when you're done filling everything out and you're in. The typing exam we took previously is quite important in this process because you will be required to submit your typing test results to Rev and TranscribeMe, and they have a criteria that you must meet in order to be accepted. To make sure you pass your application, take the typing exam first. Then practice a little bit or take the test multiple times to acquire the fastest typing speed achievable. And this will lead you to make more and more money. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.